Howdy, Michael, a Mercedes guy here. Keys. Now do note that you can order from Mercedes-Benz duplicate keys for your car using the VIN number. If they're the original locks. But let's say that you've just purchased a car, you don't have but one key, and you lose it. And the key from Mercedes doesn't fit. Well, now you're going to be paying a locksmith some big money. So, what you want to do if you only have one key, well, let's say you have two keys. You put this key in your house. This is the key you use to drive. But in the meantime, what I do, and I do this for customers as well, I'll take their key. Now, you want a really, really sharp pencil. I'm using a Draftsman's pencil here. And you make an outline of the key. Now, of course, this only works for keys pre-19, let's say, 85, or keys that don't have the side notches for tumblers. In other words, a key like this, you aren't going to be able to do it. This is for a 124 car, but Euro is often like that as well. So you've got the outline of your key. I could have done that maybe a little better, but do note these double-sided, they're the same one side as the other. Now, also, what I do is write down a cross-section. So, I have a cross-section of the key. That way, and this has happened, customer calls me, I've lost my key. What do? I go to my record book, my log book, find their key, go to my assortment of keys, and find one that is close and still has enough meat so I can carefully file it and compare to my outline. Well, of course, first I look at the cross-section to get the right key to use, and file it, send them this overnight in the mail, and they're all set. So, what I always recommend when you get a car, you go to a key shop, and you have 4 keys made. The original one, you keep at home. That's going to be the closest to original. The other 3, one is for your car that you normally use. The other one is for the other member of your family. The third one you hide in a key safe somewhere on the car. That way you're ready for losing your key.